Yo, let me in, bro. Yo. Yo, let me in, bro. Oh, Stuart? This is an interesting setup. Like, as soon as you get in, there's like 4 different ways to go. This place smells like my grandma's house. This is chill. See a little game night, little chill spot with the boys. Ooh, look at this view. Oh, man.
They didn't leave no snacks.
Bro, fat ass already checking the fridge.
Yeah, they didn't leave no snacks, bro.
All right, let's check out over here. What's over here?
All right. It's 3:02.
You're the tour guide for the camera, so.
19.
Open up.
Yeah.
Yo,
Dibs. I'm sleeping here.
what's in there? Bro, we're the only ones in this house. Why are you knocking?
I think I heard something.
Huh? Bro, open up. What's in there?
Someone on the fucking bed. Trolling.
Trolling, bro.
Imagine, bro.
I know you trolling. Oh, the raccoon bed?
Damn, this is where I'm sleeping.
Yo, what'd you find over there?
Nothing.
What you mean nothing, bro?
We're going upstairs.
Oh yeah, I forgot. There's 2 kitchens in here.
Holy shit. This goes to outside. This is actually kind of crazy.
Yeah, look, this view is nice. Look at this view, chat. Hold on, let's
And
open
it like
this up.
goes out to the like where we can do our bonfire.
Hey, you
and
stand
everything.
right there. Like, that view is nice, bro.
Dude, there's like the fucking hill behind us. I kind of want to climb.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what else is here. They got a toaster for us and another crock pot.
Well, definitely saw a bunch of board games right there you missed. And over there. I'm definitely getting this spot. This is the room, bro.
This is where you're going?
I think me and Matt taking this as co-owners. We cuddling.
Yeah, this shit is way too open for my liking.
I like this shit.
What are these like tables here?
Oh, like a desk, I guess.
Oh, they got like if you wanted to bring your dog and everything.
Pretty sure. I said no pets allowed.
That's where Lucas could sleep.
Yes, sir.
If he like tagged on last second like he did last time, that's where he would end up.
Dude.
Another balcony? Oh, this
Dude, there's a whole nother poop deck in there. What the fuck? I didn't even realize there's a whole bathroom back there. It's about to be so bright out here. Yo. It is so bright. Holy f.
This is kind of chill as fuck. Oh, and it wraps around.
Let's check out over here. What's going on over here, chat?
Kind of gotta take my shit after this tour.
Yes. Okay, so we're back over here to the kitchen area. This is like Matthew's favorite son. He was like gooning about this, dude. He's like, I'm gonna take so many pictures.
Dude.
This is a cool sign, though. That is the smoke spot, bro. This is so sick, man.
Oh. Look at that shit, bro. That's like going up. Then we got the fire pit and whatnot.
Oh, this shit looks so majestic. I'm filming in 4K.
Dude, look at that little spot over there.
I'm following, bro.
You see?
Hold on. Yo. Yeah, that's the cave up there. You want to go up there right now? Cave's up there
I'd
somewhere.
rather change my shoes out.
True, I am currently in the slides.
I brought boots, so.
That is so scenic,
But
though.
dude,
It's a little chilly. Gotta get a little jacket on. Oh, the hot tub. We gotta go check out the hot tub. Hold on. So you just flip that onto this and you can flip it over.
yeah.
Okay. They got the skim. They got the fucking skimmer.
Oh yeah.
They got the fucking. That's from the kitchen, bruh. Bruh. We real close right now. What's up? Nando? Nando? Oh, he's watching TikTok.
Whoa! Wait! I missed
He's
it.
watching
Wait.
Skibbity Toilet. Bro, you
This
paid.
is on the TV.
Finally. Why
Hold
is
up,
bro
hold up.
tapped out watching Skibbity Toilet?
We need to check something out.
Good luck, bro. Good luck. Good luck with the Skibbity. My goon. Alright, we gotta go film these motherfuckers coming in. I got a shitty ass butt. I gotta take a dookie. Don't tell anyone though. Yo, welcome to my humble abode. Yo, what the fuck? This is your favorite. This is your favorite part of the house, huh?
Is this the?
Do you like that sign back
So
there?
this is. Yeah. What's funny about it?
I told you, Chad. I told you, Chad. Huh? What? What? Let's go. The view back here is actually so good.
Fucking no, I have to.
Watch out for like spider webs in all the corners of the door.
Immediately something was on my leg.
Okay, it got his ass.
The border patrol guy was like, you know, rattlesnakes. There's a million of them.
Oh yeah, wait.
I had a
Did you go to
girl.
the left one or the
Left,
right one?
yeah.
Oh, that's
I had the
what
girl.
we had. Yeah.
I had the girl.
No, we had
Oh
a dude.
no, never mind. You had
Oh,
a
we
dude.
rolled up and
cranky
you
ass
said
dude.
John's full legal name.
I
said, yeah, I already got
I
your
was the
ID.
driver.
What
I
the
was the
fuck?
driver. I was the driver. Rolled down my window, and he
trying to
goes,
shake us.
Jonathan, like it says full legal name, and
You just say, like,
Nah, you just
Sometimes.
met God.
Yeah.
That was literally God. That was God.
yeah. I rolled down
And then
my
he said
window,
my-
go to say like good morning, and it's just John's full legal name. I'm like, it
Dude,
just
Fernando
stuck
looks so
me.
mystical
Like,
back
I didn't
there.
know what to say.
And then he said my
he
birthday,
saw the ID, he
and
thought
then
it
I
was
just go,
you.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
me.
They asked you where you guys going. I was like, Canada.
He's like,
Yeah,
what do you
it's
guys
in the
do? And we're
peninsula.
like,
Yeah. What do you guys do? And I was like, and Andrew goes like, students. Yeah, we're
Students.
students.
Oh,
We're
yeah,
doing a summer break.
Bro, we literally
Yeah.
answered wrong to every question and got allowed through still.
I got so
Literally
nervous.
fucking hit a 0 on everything and got in. The lady was like, "So where you guys going? Oh, where you guys live? Oh." No, that shit was funny as hell. We literally somehow hit a 0 on every single thing. She was just-
Charisma 100, intelligence 0.
dude, it's whenever I fucking take control, I feel like the charisma all of a sudden kicks in.
No.
Once I all of a sudden was like, all right, we're here. She all of a sudden was like, okay, these dudes are just fucking idiots.
I don't know.
This is what we were saying.
You don't fuck with Skibbity?
Yo, wait, Andrew.
Skibbity dop dop dop. Yes yes.
is that you?
It's Fernando.
And these are the bedrooms, right?
Yes sir.
2 bedrooms. Oh, my bad.
Day one, I already walked into the bed.
Adam.
Yeah.
I mean, we can check out the room over there.
Yeah.
Still going that way.
You saw me with my shorts below my ass.
Bro,
Dude, you can fuck
It's so fucking cute.
the troll
Wait,
button.
which one's the
Wait,
pull-
go
where's
in.
the pull out?
I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna do it. Hold on.
What is this for?
You'll troll me.
What is this for?
I'm gonna pretend like I'm taking a dump. Oh man, this dump is really taking right now. Yo, who did that,
You have
bro?
3 minutes to finish shitting. The rest of the room will fill with
You
gas.
think I'm shitting right now?